everyone, it's me BeingTorey. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this homemade, budget-friendly fertilizer, simply using banana peels. This natural fertilizer will help my purple salvia bloom a little bit bigger and encourage more flowers. I will also take you to my balcony garden to show you how I apply it and talk a little bit about the pros and cons of using this fertilizer. I'll also show you my strawberry plant that I've been working hard to grow. So, you guys, let's get this video started. Hey, you guys, don't toss that banana peel away, okay, you guys? We're gonna make some fertilizer. So, let's get on to it. First, you guys, I'm showing my banana peel, and I'm gonna cut up the banana peels into small slices to fit in the container that I'm using. I'm using about a 24-ounce container that I'm gonna fill up with water. So I'm just simply cutting it up into smaller pieces. Next, I'm just going to be simply adding some tap water to this 24-ounce container. And in my container, I just have 2 banana peels that I'm using. After I have the banana peel and water inside the container, I just close up the container and let it sit on my cabinet for about 2 to 3 days. Well, actually 4, because I forgot that I did this. So now I'm going to take you out to the garden. Hi you guys, it's me. If you watched the beginning of this video, thank you so much for making it this far. In the beginning of the video, I show you how I fertilized some banana peels. So it was all about, you don't need to throw those banana peels away. We're gonna use it for fertilizer. If you made it this far, you guys, thank you so much. To help my channel grow, I would love for you guys to comment down below. Let's see, comment down below the word banana or the emoji banana, or comment down below your favorite fruit. I would love to know. As always, your opinions, positive vibes, leave them in the comments. Will really help my channel grow, and I would love to hear from you. Here is SoCal, like I mentioned in my other videos, so make sure you check them out. I'm in zone 10B, and summertime is almost here, you guys. Can you believe it? We're about a week away from summer. It's like June 13th. So by the time you see this, summer is on its way. So we're gonna talk about fertilization. You know, if you're on a budget, use some banana peels to fertilize your plants. There are pros and cons of using banana peels for fertilization. Some plants like potassium and some plants don't like potassium. But doing some research, I learned that my salvia likes potassium. So I'm gonna feed them some fertilized bananas. So if you watch my other videos, you guys know I had a problem with my salvia. I did hit them because I was having some sap-eating bugs and taking over my salvia. So what I did hit them was they were like shorter than this, and this was about 2 weeks ago. And if you can see that they are getting taller and blooming up more, but I really want to give them a little more growth. So this is why I am giving them some potassium water, just simply made out of banana peels and water. And also going to use a little more water and dilute the solution a little bit. And don't worry, you guys, I'm not going to throw these banana peels away. I'm going to use them as a compost in the soil for the flowers. So you see right here, I had the banana peel water and I diluted it with some just regular water. And I'm going to pour it into both of my salvia plants. And I still have lots of more, and I'm going to use the old banana peels as a compost and feed it into the soil. So I'm just going around and around. I'm not going to splash the flowers. I'm just trying to feed the soil. Oopsie. So I'm just trying to feed the soil. I'm going to repeat the process on the next plant. See, I'm getting the water. Try to go a little half and half. Yeah, that's about half. We're going to use the remaining. And we know bananas are rich with potassium and other great nutrients. I'll make sure I leave information down below for you to read. And so we also need bananas too, right, you guys? So let's pour this. I'm just trying to focus on the soil in the middle of the plant. Oopsie. So if you watch the beginning of this video, you see that I cut up the banana peels, and I'm just going to use this as for some more food for my salvia, and I'm going to use the banana peels. I'm digging in the soil about 2 to 3 inches as far as I can go, and I'm going to just put the banana peels. You guys see now that I covered up the bananas in the soil. I'm going to get some more soil to cover it up. It's just like a compost, you guys. I'm feeding my salvia. I'm feeding my salvia to grow big and strong and produce lots of flowers. So there we go. And the salvia right here. And so this is an update. If you watch my other garden videos, you will see that I did hit it my salvia. A few weeks later, look how tall it has gotten now. So I have a few banana peels in my soil, and it's just going to act as a compost. So I'm going to put some more in this right here. Feed it into the soil. And let's take care of this plant right here. Going 2 to 3 inches in the soil. Covering it up. Covering it up. I'm going to put some more. Cover it up. So like I said in the beginning, there are some positives about this and there's some cons about this. So we know that salvia likes potassium, but there might be gnats and stuff coming in your garden. So there's something to be aware of. And I'm also, for next time, I'm thinking about, because I'm going to tell you about a plant that I'm going to use some banana water to help it grow. It's a fruit that I'm trying to grow and learning about. So I'm going to save this jar and make more banana water. And I have a banana peel all ready to go for my next plant. So let's go over to my next plant. I want to show you what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so my next goal to use the banana water, as I talked about, is going to be on my strawberries, okay? So my strawberries are thriving pretty good, but there's a lot that I have to learn about strawberries, like the runners and everything, and I'm noticing that there's more roots on the strawberries, so deal with me guys, my first time growing strawberries. So to help my strawberries out, these are the roots that are potential roots that are growing on my strawberries, and I have some work to do. See that, the nodes. So yeah, I got a lot to do about my strawberries. So I have a plan. So I'm going to be using banana water, and make sure you guys stay tuned and check out my other videos that I'm going to have coming out, and where I talk more about my strawberry plant. Okay, you guys? So that was my video of me using banana peels for fertilization to help my flowers, give it a little more power to grow. I hope you guys enjoy this content, and thank you guys so much for watching. And using banana peels as a fertilizer is a budget-friendly thing that you can do to help your flowers grow. Always do your research to see if this is a pro or a con for you as you grow your beautiful and lovely flowers in the garden. Thank you so much again for watching, and I always like to say, and keep on growing. Bye!